but you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller, controller. Like controller, yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they breathe.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my home. Got me with a leash, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. Hey, you got lost me in the morning. Baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever need it or want it, I got you, you know this. Need a little company, I'll sleep right over. Baby, I'll be right over. Invite me right over. I said I know we ain't on the same page no more. And that's a shame that we ain't, we used to be so close. Yes, I'm down and I'm drowning in my sorrows, babe. Same, don't tempt me, baby. Get the party and get friendly. Honestly, no, I don't got it in me. It's no fun when you're not here with me. It's no fun when you're not here with me, yeah. Yet you tell me there's no way. Yes, you tell me there's no way. Now, if you think I don't know right now, can we slow it down and sort it out? You got lost me in the morning, baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever need it or want it, I got you, you know it. And if you ever home alone, me, little company, I'll sleep right over. Baby, I'll be right, yeah. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big kill my vibe. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices, everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. My stories, I see you getting my lifestyle, I see you watching my movements.